Does it have what?
What he found? What he found?
Guys. Please close the door.
You guys unpack your bags into there. I don't understand people that do that, bro. That's so much effort. Then you have to repack like you're going on vacation to go home. Yeah. There's a certain way I pack my shit, so I know. Yeah. No, taking everything else is crazy, bro.
It's easier to get what you're looking for.
It does sound very convenient because like you guys look like you live here.
We live here, Amos.
For 5 days, bro.
Yes.
After 5 days, what you pack up? You pack up.
Guys,
Yeah.
That's madness.
Simple.
I'm so hungry.
Okay, so what's gonna
Please
happen?
give truth.
What's gonna happen with
Yes,
the
we need
dirty
to
clothes?
truth for myself.
The dirty clothes, I put them in a plastic. That's why I brought a plastic. And then everything just... It's a big ass plastic.
Where's the clothes? In a suitcase, I cannot.
When are you going to Sun City or Goro City? We're in Sun City, bro.
Angena lishame isona. Sizohlepha umthatha yami.
Oh, wema.
What he found? What he found? What he found?
Down. Hi. Can I smell this? Guys, I don't like the fact that imagube njalo ivaliwe mina ngingakayi. Anyenze ngiplan. Cha ngenze